satisfaction. The device itself is in black, a very limited color, available only in the online store, Samsung online store. Feels really nice in the hand. It is the same size for Galaxy S25 for 3 and 2. S21 is a little bit bigger, but we do have a button, power button on the side, volume buttons, antenna at the top, 2 microphones, antenna on the left, antennas, and at the bottom 2 antennas, speaker, USB Type-C microphone, and SIM card tray. 3 rings and a flash. Apparently those rings are just for show, but I don't mind. It looks nice. Power, such a beautiful screen, flat screen, and it should unlock to my face. It did. Have to swipe it, and then, well, the UI 7 reminds me an iPhone. Check out the calculator, almost the same, but 120 Hz. Let me just put a bit closer to the screen, and then 120 smoothness. Wow, such a smooth and beautiful screen. But what kind of power do we have in this one? Well, it is Android 15, and then some advertisement for the app. And it's powered by Snapdragon 8 Elite. What does that mean? It means tons of power. Hitting the benchmark 2700 to 8600. The distance between S24, the gap, improvement is super vast. Wow, that's shockingly more powerful. What does that all mean? It means gaming. Playing a game should be super fun. Everything looks smooth. Do we have a game mode? I don't see it, but that's okay. Let's go. Wow, such a smoothness. Really good. Enemies somewhere. Don't see anyone. Oh, someone's coming. Wow. Okay, it's quite hard then with like Xbox pad or something. Oh, did they get me? I got him. I got him. But it is smooth. Everything just walks. I like it. Clean. Camera app also got a huge improvement. It's basically a new app, and the quality is amazing, especially in the portrait. Wow. In the photo, we do have tons of new filters, and you can customize them. It's super convenient and super smooth. We can record all the way to 8K 30 frames per second and 50 megapixel picture. It's easy to use. We also have Pro Food Portrait Video, dual recording, Pro Video and Night. Let me show you some samples. This smartphone can record all the way to 8K 30 frames per second, full length of my arm. Wow. 4K 60 from the front facing camera. Do we have autofocus in front facing camera? Yes, we do. Not the fastest one, but that's the early firmware version. Why do you need autofocus in front facing camera? Well, for example, details. Here you go. Details. Or even more details in close-up. Sometimes you need those details. We can also switch lenses during the recording, and that is super cool. Just like that when a main lens and then a wide angle lens. Video stabilization, super smooth. Vlogging style, remember that there's no external microphone. We're using an internal mic. Alright, very wide. And let's try the main lens. There you go. Autofocus. Quick. By the way, there is no autofocus in wide angle lens. So for example, if I want to show you some details, you see? Blurry. Samsung logo is blurry. But if you switch to the main lens, then it will be in focus. How quick? I've seen quicker one, but that's okay. We need to try the telephoto. And with the telephoto 2x, 4, 5, 6, 7, extremely stable, 9, 10, 12, that's max, and that is super stable. For the video in 4K 60. There's no difference in 4K 30, it's all the same, and switching lenses is fast and smooth. Really smooth. I like it. Wow. Alright, pictures. Also a super steady feature in 4K 60, which is outstanding because the previous models have a downgrade to Full HD or something like that. It is super stable, but you won't be able to switch lenses during the recording, and it's only wide angle and the main lens, and it's not smooth switching those lenses, but it is what it is. Super stable. Why do you need out focus on the wide angle lens? For example, if you want to show details, you won't be able to, but with the main lens, you could. Wow, looks cool. Stereo speakers. Clean and loud. By the way, you can have your favorite music on the palm of your hand at the bottom. But the most important thing in this device is artificial intelligence. For example, we can talk to it. Good morning, sir.
Good morning to you.
What's the weather today?
In Rezal, there'll be snow showers, with a high of 2 and a low of -3.
So should I dress heavy or light?
You'll definitely want to dress heavy today. It's going to be a chilly one, with a high of only 2 degrees Celsius and a low of -3. There's also a chance of snow showers, so you might want to grab a warm coat and some waterproof boots.
I'm hungry. What should I eat to stay healthy?
If you're looking for something warm and comforting, a bowl of chicken noodle soup would be perfect for this chilly weather. If you're in the mood for something lighter, a salad with grilled chicken or fish is always a good option. And if you're craving something heartier, a whole grain pasta dish with lots of veggies would be a great choice.
There's also AI for the photos. Oh, that is very impressive. I like it. I need to download that. Super cool. There's also watercolor and sketch. Oh wow, sketch also. Really good. Battery life, not impressed. Well, I got, hard to say how much I got, because I had 100% just 3 hours ago. Now I'm 74, but I'm using those smartphones a lot, very different than the regular user. So it's definitely less than Xiaomi 15. Conclusion, this smartphone can replace your friends, and I kind of like it. Super cool. See you next video.